Here we have measuring weight or mass. Means vegetables and grains and all other solid objects we will measure and we call weight of that object. We use a weighing balance to find out the weights of a object. Weighing balance. So generally you have seen greengrocer keep weight of 5 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 200 gram, 100 gram or 50 gram. So these are the weighing measures. These are the weighing measures. So here we have 5 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 200 gram, 100 gram or 50 gram. They are weighing measures, and generally we are seeing that greengrocer keep this weighing balance with them to measure these solid objects. So we have two units to measure weight or mass: gram, kilogram. Symbol is G, symbol of gram is G, symbol of kilogram is kg. So here we have 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. Now 1 kilogram means 500 gram plus 500 gram, or 300 gram plus 300 grams plus 400, 100 gram, 200 gram, like that. So here we have 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. Measuring weight or mass, we have to take kilogram and gram. What we will take? Kilogram or gram. So here 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So convert 5 kg. What will you do? You have to take this. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 5 kilogram is equal to 5 into 1000 gram. So here we have 5, 1000. Take 3 zeros here, 1 5s are 5. Whenever we are multiplying any number with 0, the answer is same number. So add 3 0 here and 1 5s are 5. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then 5 kg we have to convert into gram. 1 kg 1000 gram. This step you have to follow after each and every sum. Again you have to write this. Then you do this. 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000. Convert into grams. 5 kg. Now you all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 5 kg, 5 into 1000 gram. Here we have 5000 grams. Now here 9 kg, 9 into 1000 grams is equal to 9000 grams. 4 kg, 4 into, here this is short method of converting. If we have only one single number, so you will do like that also. 4000 gram. 6 kg, 6 into 1000, 6000 gram. 2 kg, 2 into 1000 gram. So we have 2000 gram. Whenever we have simple, small numbers, we will do it like that. When we have joint units, then we have to plus that unit. We have 7 kg, 500 g, means 7 kilogram, 500 gram. What will we do? First we will write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then what will we do? Convert bigger unit into smaller. 7 kilogram is equal to 7 into 1000 gram. Take care of these units. You have to write G all the time. So 7,000 gram plus 500 gram. So what to do? Write 7,000 here. Ones, tens, 100,000. Here we have ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. So plus it like that. Put it under proper column and then add it. 0, 0, 5, 7. So here we have 7,500 gram. Answer is 7,500 grams. So now when you have conversion of kilogram to gram, use this rough column always. Otherwise you will get confused. 7,000 plus 500. Do it in rough column and then write the answer. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000. 7 kilograms, 7 into 1,000. First to convert and make the unit same. Gram, gram. Then 7,000 plus 500. Use this rough column and then write the final answer. Convert grams into kilograms. Smaller unit to bigger unit. What we will do? Divide by 1,000. So you know how to divide 9,000 by 1,000. You know that division rule. 9,000 gram. What will you write? 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 9,000 gram is equal to 9,000 divided by 1,000. So here we have 9 kilogram. So here we have 3030. Divide by 1, the answer is same. This is simple method. If you want to do long division, no problem. Do it like that. Do it like that. This is also right. These two methods are same. So here 3030 divide by 1. Zeros are same. So this is short method. If you want to do it by long division, do it by long division. Now here, what will we do? 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So we have 30 means this is gram. These three are gram. Remainder and this is kilogram. This is short method. 5 kilogram 280 gram. What will we do? 5,280 divided by 1,000. So you all know whenever we divide any number, large number by 1,000, 30 means this is remainder and this is quotient. So 5 kg 280 gram. This is short method. If you want to divide it, then divide it like that. 5,280 divided by 1,000. So 5,000, we have remainder 280. So this is gram and this is kilogram. We have 9,045 gram. First what will we do? 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Then next step is 9,045 gram means 9,045 divided by 1,000. So what will we do? Divide it by 1,000. 9,000. Then here we have 45 remainder. That is gram, that is kilogram. Next method is after 3. Take these three numbers, ones, tens, 100 for the unit which you have to convert. This is smaller unit gram and this is kilogram. So both methods are right. So here very simple method is 9 kilogram 45 gram or 9 kilogram 45 gram or this. Both methods are same.